Welcome. In this screencast, we will show you how to get articles from academic journals online using the Penn State University Libraries. First, we're going to enter our search terms into the Find box on the library's homepage. I'm going to look for information about generative AI. Once you get to the results page, you'll notice that it's divided into boxes. Each box corresponds to a type of information source. We have journal articles, books and media, news and magazine articles, and some results from the library's website. From here, we recommend clicking on the See All Journal Articles link. This will take you into a full list of journal article sources. On this page of results, sometimes referred to as Lion Search, you will see results for your search that are the full text of journal articles and book chapters by default. However, you can use the filters to refine your search in similar ways to online shopping. Be sure to check out the filters. Of particular interest here is the content types. Depending on the type of information you're looking for, you can include or exclude them here. Notice that you can even clear all filters. This will enable you to see all types of sources in one place. Next, you can select content types, specify publication dates, and even select subject terms to narrow down your results. I'm going to make a selection of generative artificial intelligence and computing. From here, you can also bookmark, link, cite, email, or export the items that you find. You can also feel free to use our Ask a Librarian service to get help via live chat, email, phone, or text. Happy searching!